Hi, my name is Indubala Kupchandani, and today I will be talking about the Information Assurance and Security Tool assignment for my Info 609 class. My next slide talks about who are we. Well, we are OneSource, a business process outsourcing center, and we are located in Mumbai, India. We deal in banking processes, especially credit cards and consumer loans. We offer a variety of services, and it includes payment processing services, customer support, credit card renewals, loan disbursements, collections, and mailing bank statements. Now, this slide talks about why security is important for OneSource. Well, our mission is to secure people, processes, and technology. We also deal with huge amount of data and confidential information. Our support service transactions happen over the internet, and thus we need a safe environment. Also, we are answerable to our clients, customers, and we think data security is our prime concern. So now when it comes down to security, we zeroed down on three areas. First is the human level security, second is the data level security, and the third is the technical level security. Now let's talk about the first security, which is the human level security. The human dimension is always less predictable, it is self-intelligent, and is prone to factors such as greed, jealousy, and mischief. Managing risk in such a situation is not easy as managing a bug in an operational software. Therefore, this security needs to be at two levels. First is the hiring level or the recruitment level, and the second is the operational level. Now, at the hiring level, our organization, which is OneSource, needs to focus on carrying background or reference checks to ensure that the right candidate is being hired. Secondly, we need to train employees on regular intervals about potential risk associated with data theft. And also, we need to make sure that our employees go ahead and sign a customer information confidentiality contract. Now, at the operational level, the following steps need to be implemented. First is we need to create a paper-free environment. We need to ensure that agents are not allowed to carry pen and paper while they are working. Any form of electronic gadgets such as the PDAs, laptops should not be allowed on the floor. Surveillance cameras need to be installed and security personnel should be employed at the entry and the exit point of the premises. There has to be no access to personal emails and non-work related internet sites. Regular monitoring of the internet traffic by the IT department should be conducted. There should be random audits to ensure that employees adhere to data security policies. Training programs should happen on a regular basis so that employees understand about data security and its legal implications. Awareness about data security should happen through emails, posters on the floors, and the intranet facility. Now, the next security is the data level security. In most cases, the data theft happens either by hacking from remote places or information stealing by the employees. Strict adherence to the information security policies and procedures would help OneSource prevent such data security issues. Now, the following steps need to be implemented. First is avoid data leakage. Appropriate firewalls and software needs to be installed which blocks access to downloading files or copying files. Setting up read-write access for individual employee is necessary in order to avoid data leakage. Second is set up a company cloud. Now, information security is becoming critical day by day. Companies just need to go beyond internal security and make sure there's some kind of a cloud security or a network security to prevent any unauthorized access and have control over the data. Third is disaster management. In natural calamities, terrorist attack situations, an organization should be capable of retrieving data at multiple levels. Setting up recovery centers at location, state, and national levels is extremely essential. The last one is business continuity programs. In order to ensure that there is sufficient data sharing happening between the vendor and the client company, various employee exchange programs need to be developed. Last but not the least is the technical level security. This security is at various levels. First is the system security. A user ID and a password should allow access to individual systems. Also, the system needs to auto-prompt the change password feature at regular intervals. Second is setting up the firewall system. Now, this basically helps filtering the web traffic. It will also protect the network servers from any sorts of malicious threats. Now, third is the server security. The following steps need to be performed in order to ensure the server security. Install only necessary services on the operating system. Any form of remote access to the server needs to be avoided. We need to set up minimum permission and privileges to access the database. Update all security softwares on a regular basis. Stay updated on the latest security softwares by subscribing to various forms of articles, newspapers, forums, etc. Also perform audits regularly to detect any hacking in time. Hope you enjoyed this presentation and thank you for your time.